Hi guys! Welcome to MatthewDavidTV, ang YouTube channel na puno ng positivity. If you're new here, I do gadget reviews, unboxing, tech tutorials, and lifestyle videos. And I have new content coming up, so mag-subscribe ka na. In this video, we will be unboxing one of my dream home gadgets, which is the Ilife V55 Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner. So you might be wondering, dream gadget talaga? Yes, it's my dream gadget because hindi talaga ako mahilig maglinis ng bahay. Especially because my condo is actually located right beside EDSA and the dust buildup here is quite intense and kailangan maglinis araw-araw, mag-mop, magwalis, and just to ensure that my home is clean. So hopefully, with this new gadget, it will reduce the time that I spend in doing those activities and I can actually focus on the stuff actually important, right? And to be more productive. That's what we're gonna find out in this unboxing. So, namin ko bang sinasabi guys, let's unbox this new gadget. So, ito na siya. Medyo mabigat siya. I got this item from Lazada. It came 10 days after I ordered it because it came from China. I'll just place it here and let's check out yung content ng box isa-isa. After you open the box, so makikita agad nyo yung robot unit. So later ko na mapakita sa inyo. But makikita nyo muna yung yung charging dock. So dito siya kukuha ng power to supply itself. So ito yung parang home base niya pag nalulubat na siya. So feeling ko yung robot ko mapapagod agad. Kasi araw-araw talaga siya maglilinis dito sa unit. At marami siyang mga alikabok na lilinisin dito. Then there's also this gadget based on the Lazada site. This one is called the Electro Wall. Ang Electro Wall naman is ang feature nito is it will limit the robot to go to a certain area in your home. So let's say ayaw mo siyang pumunta sa kitchen or sa sala for some reason, or ayaw mo siyang pumunta sa area where the pets are. For me, right now, wala akong specific area in my home pagagamitan sa kanya kasi wala namang off limits dito. Gusto ko talagang linisin ng robot yung buong home ko at matanggal niya lahat ng mga dust. So comment down below if you have some ideas kung saan nyo gagamitin ang Electro Wall, just in case that you're gonna buy the V55 robot cleaner. You also have here some filters and extra side brushes. So this is one of the things that I considered when I purchased the robot vacuum. So just in case you have problems, you want to purchase extra filters or extra side brushes, you can actually go to Lazada. They have a dedicated page for Ilife. It's an official Lazada mall store wherein you can actually buy filters. And this filter can actually last for 3 to 4 months. There's already a filter installed in the machine, so this is just a replacement. But it just goes to show how the Ilife company cares for their customers. That's why even if there's already side brushes and filters, they already gave you some replacements, just to give you the better experience in using the machine. So that's a good sign. Next is this one. Ito naman yung pangkulay ito ng buhok, no? Char. This one, you're gonna use it to clean your cleaning machine. So, I think when there's dirt under your vacuum, you can use this one. Then, there's a remote. This is the robot vacuum, so you're just gonna use our remote to activate it. Then, ask the vacuum to return to the charging dock after it's done cleaning. So, yeah. Let's go to the unit. So, if you're gonna look at the unit, on this sign, makikita nyo ang ganda ng design niya. Glossy siya na very black and very modern. So, the aesthetics is very cool and very hip. Then, based on the website also, this unit has actually several sensors installed para hindi siya bumabangga sa mga furniture in your home or hindi siya bigla na lang yung nasa stairs. Kaya may stairs na siglang uhulog na lang siya bigla. So, bawal ma-fall. So, yung mga sensors niya, I can see it here, dito. para hindi siya babangga. And there's also 2 sensors here. But it doesn't mean na hindi na siya magkakaroon ng kunyari nito yung furniture, lalayo na siya sa mga furniture, especially yung mga nasa ilalim ng mga furniture na yun. So, based on the website, it will also have that edge cleaning mode wherein it will be able to clean up to the wall area. At the front area naman, there are also several buttons here, such as the spot button wherein the machine will focus on a specific spot to clean. Then there's also the dustbin status wherein check niya yung capacity ng machine kung puno na ba yung dustbin. There's also the home button for the machine to return dito sa charging dock. Then there's also the main button para mag-clean siya at maglinis ng floor in your home. When you click naman this one, tong push button here, mari-reveal naman yung dustbin where it contains lahat ng mga na-collect niyang dust dun sa area. And ito naman yung filter that I mentioned a while ago. Then at the bottom part of the machine, looking at the wheels, I think in the website this were called the Road Rover wheels, not Land Rover, Road Rover wheels. That it mentioned that it can easily maneuver over obstacles smoothly up to 13 millimeters. Looking at it, I think it's really strong. The machine is actually heavy. While habang buhat-buhat ko siya para ako nag-workout. Then, dito sa ilalim, notice this kulay blue na surface is actually removable. It's the mop. So, it's not only a vacuum, but while it vacuums, you have the option to activate the water tank here and place some water para at the same time, habang nag-vacuum siya, pwede rin siyang mag-mop. At least you have that option to do that. Yeah, so, are you excited to try it out? Let's try it out! So guys, we're here in the sala at na-set up na natin ang ating robot vacuum here. Sobrang fast lang niya. Here's the docking station. Pinlug ko lang siya sa outlet at umilaw na agad siya. After ko i-on yung power button ng robot vacuum at pinatong siya dito, nag-on na agad siya. So we will be using yung may kasamang free battery yung remote. So now we will be testing it kung gagana na siya. Nandito rin naman sa remote yung mga different modes. So we will be testing kung gagana na siya ngayon. Ayan, so it's working. Actually, based on the initial, parang sobrang tahimik lang yung maglinis, which I like. I think kahit matulog kami, or kahit matulog ako, sobrang hindi ko maririnig na nalilinis siya. So, sobrang tahimik lang niya, at hindi ka mo-bother sa the way siya maglinis. Sobrang cool, at nakikita ko talaga na may improvement dun sa floor. Na nawala talaga yung mga dust particles. But of course, iba pa rin yung mga may mga stain din kasi yung parang mga So, hindi ko pa iti-test right now yung mop feature niya. So, that's for siguro sa in-depth review na lang yung mga parang ibang mga stain sa floor. But in terms of grabe, ang galing niya kasi kahit yung edges, maano talaga niya na susundan niya. Ayan. Kahit yung mga sulok, akala ko hindi siya magkakasya sa ilalim ng couch, pero nagagawa niya ng paraan pumasok. At ayan na siya. Ayan o. Kasi sobrang baba talaga nitong couch na to. And kahit itong ring light, na hindi niya, kahit namangga niya, hindi masyadong, siya, hindi niya inaano. Ayan. And nakakatulong yung mga rollers niya sa pagkuha ng mga dumi. Now, we will be testing naman kung makakabalik siya sa kanyang home, no? Because home is where the heart is. Am I right? So, let's try it out. Ayan. Let's see kung makakabalik siya. Let's just try it out. Ayan. Parang nagpa-park siya. Ayan, so nakita niya umilaw yung button niya ng home. Nakalagay dito sa LED niya na base. Ayan. And he's home. Ito ang ibig sabihin niyan, charging na siya ulit. At magkakaalaman na tayo sa quick test natin. Quick test, I think 5 minutes lang siyang naglinis kung gaano ba na ba karami yung dumi dito sa sala. In 5 minutes ang nakuha niya. Yan. So, ito yung nakuha niyang dumi in 5 minutes. Hindi ko nabubuksan kasi kadiri. But, in 5 minutes, ito yung nakuha niyang dumi. Like, grabe. I mean, na-amaze ako sa capability niya na to gather all this dirt. You know, for someone like me na medyo maano yung allergy ko, no? I have the worst case of allergic rhinitis. At least, now I have this robot vacuum that can actually get all this dirt. I actually read in the reviews part na some naman actually bought this kasi they have for their pets naman na maraming maglagas yung pets nila ng mga hair and stuff like that. So, there. So happy na ganda ng results no product test natin for this product. Yeah. Yeah, so that's the end of the test. For me, my first impression, I think this is an awesome robot vacuum. I think in the short amount of time, ang dami agad niyang nakuhang dust sa living room area, which is great. Then, what I like the most about it is, nakaupo lang ako, and in a normal scenario, I can do other things that matter while the robot vacuum is cleaning, which is actually priceless right now. Most professionals nowadays, sobrang busy natin, to be honest, sa work. And pag-uwi natin, you know, pagod na tayo. With this technology, having your time given back to you is really big deal. Especially for parents. Parents who doesn't have helpers with them at home. Right? It's actually chores that are offloaded to them so that they can, you know, spend time with their children or do stuff that really matter. And second, if you're gonna compare this product or this gadget with the other vacuums, diba? Sometimes you, on the handheld vacuums, you really exert effort into cleaning the floors. Imagine if you have a robot vacuum. You're just gonna sit back, relax, and chill, and let the gadget do all the work for you. By the way guys, I got this product at 7,999 and it was a Lazada sale that time. So just be on the lookout every time that there's a sales drop. And that's it for this video. Let me know in the comment section below if you want me to do an in-depth review of the V55. As I use it in the coming month, forget to like, share, and subscribe again. This is MatthewDavidTV. Nag-iwan ng kasabihan na if you believe in yourself, you will be unstoppable. Thanks guys for watching. Bye!